What did he say? How is Payal's progress?
Dad, there has been no improvement in Payal. The way Payal was, she is still the same.
Don't be worried. Have patience. This hospital and their treatment is very good. I do believe.
Mom, she's not in the bathroom.
Did you see that? No one is over here.
Ma'am, I've also checked the CCTV footage. We can't locate her there.
Well, she's not here. And not even in the CCTV footage. She is not down. Where could she be, Shaurya? There she is.
Durga? Are you alright? I was so worried.
My God, Durga, where did you go? We searched for you everywhere. Where did you go? Do you know how worried we were? Are you okay?
Yes, Mrs. Goenka, I'm fine.
Then where did you go?
Mrs. Goenka, when the alarm was on, I got very scared. I went to the washroom. When I came out and saw people were going down, the lift was also closed. I decided to take the staircase. And as soon as I came down, I found out that it was a false alarm.
Well, you know what, Durga? When the alarm came on, I started searching for you everywhere. And when I couldn't locate you, I came upstairs. I hope you're fine.
Yes, I'm fine.
Don't you think this is so weird? Both of you took the stairs, but you never crossed each other. Well, never mind. You're all right. That is what matters. Is this the first time you've come to our office? And you got such a weird welcome. But that's all right. Now you would be coming here regularly, right? So welcome to Goenka's group of companies.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Goenka. But you know, this is my second visit to this office. If not at the first place, I won't have to come here again. Actually, I left my tablet here. I had to come.
Of course. Shaurya had told me about it. Shaurya, speak to the Department of Security and get everything checked. I won't appreciate such kinds of false alarms. And find out why the alarm went off today.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Durga, you have a cut on your hand.
I have no idea, Mrs. Goenka. I was coming down the staircase. I was scared and couldn't understand anything. I really didn't know.
From the staircase? But it looks as if it has been cut with a sharp object.
I have no idea, Mrs. Goenka. Maybe in hurry, someone's watch strap must have hurt me. I really don't know.
Okay. Shaurya, she needs first aid. Get her hand bandaged. Take care.
Thank you.
Well, today, Mom has made me a doctor. So come, let me take care of your wound. Come on.
Please, Shaurya. No doctor, no driver. Let me go, Shaurya. I'm already late for the NGO meeting. But I have some work for you. You should go and check your alarm system now. For this, I had to waste my lot of time today. And I got hurt. Bye.
Listen, when will you meet me?
We'll see.
Since the time I've met this girl Durga, I've always noticed she carries trouble with her wherever she goes. The first time I met her at the puja, then once again at the party. And today in my office too. Well, it is difficult to say whether she carries trouble or she is one. I'll have to find out. Mathur is good for nothing. He can't even take care of his cabin. He's just becoming a symbol of carelessness. University of Lloyd.
Good day, how may I help you?
Hello? Who do I speak to for students' records?
I'm transferring the call to the concerned department. How may I help you?
Yes, please. I would like to inquire about a student of yours, Durga Thakur. I'd say she graduated around 2010, 2011.
Anything official?
Yes, we would like to employ her and we need some records for the notice period of probation. Any and all information that you have about Durga Thakur would be much appreciated. At your earliest? Well, the smallest secret could also point towards a big secret.
Durga, I had told you that I would call you.
Oh God. You will never miss a second?
Well, for you, not even that second. Well, I have a friend's party tomorrow. I have one of my friend's birthday party. You will have to come.
No, Shaurya, let it be. I can't come.
Come on, Durga. The nightlife is amazing. And I want to introduce you to my friends.
I don't want to gate crash someone's party, Shaurya. Who knows me?
Who knows you? From the time you've come to Kolkata, everyone knows you.
Oh, really? Shaurya, I don't like it. I'm not comfortable going to a nightclub.
Why do you think you're going alone? I'm also with you, right? Then you will not find it weird.
Basically, you will not leave me.
Well, that is true. I will never agree and make sure that I take you. Okay, Durga. I will give you a call after some time. Bye. Durga, do you know something? If I like something at first, once or twice I will ask politely. And after that, if I still don't get it, I will snatch it.
Dr. Sen just came in. What did he say? How is Payal's progress?
Dad, there has been no improvement in Payal. The way Payal was, she is still the same.
Don't be worried. Have patience. This hospital and their treatment is very good. I do believe that she is not recovering very fast. But condition is not worsening. And this is a very good sign. A very good sign. Give us some time. Payal will be all right. Have faith on me.
Call me Legion.
Do you know, Kolkata is famous for two things. One is the Rasgulla and second is its nightlife. Yay, yay!
No, this can never happen to me. Cannot happen to me.
What happened, Durga? Just relax. It's not a big deal. The secret will only be in between us. Tell me.
Well, I had called to tell you that there's only 24 hours left. Precisely 24 hours left. But till now, you've not even kissed her as yet. I don't think you'll win the bet.
Well, tonight everything is planned. Tonight I will make sure that I will win this bet. Our story will start from Parkview and will end in Shaurya Goenka's bedroom.
Pretty cool, friend. Then you have to do so. Don't worry, we'll all be there to be witness.
None of you will come there.
Okay, that's fine, that's fine. Even I'm not that interested. And I cannot see my best friend lose. Anyway, I'll hang up now. I'll call you tomorrow. You carry on dreaming. Bye.
Durga Thakur, be ready, as tonight my dreams are going to come true.